엉덩이를 실룩실룩 엉덩이를 실룩. Ooh, you good dancer. What are you doing? Honey, it's time to go to kindergarten. 어린이집 갈 시간이에요.
이것만 했고.
Okay, it's okay. Honey, turn off the TV. Okay, let me turn off the TV. Okay, where is the remote control? Over there? Okay. Ta-da! This is the remote control. Yeah, okay. Let me turn off. Turn up. Yeah. Ryan, what are you eating? Gum or jelly or caramel? What is that? No. Caramel is no. Plastic bag? You have a plastic bag. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And 5. Finish?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
6면 손가락 몇 개야?
은 이거예요.
해보세요. Show me. Oh, no, no, no. One more time. Show me. No. Oh, no, 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 no. Number?
6.
That's right. Number 6 is right. Good, honey.
6.
No, number 2.
6.
Yes. Good job.
6.
Honey, it's time to go to kindergarten. See you. Bye-bye. See ya.
Bye bye.
Okay.